Hamrick Air Conditioning and Heating is a customer-focused air conditioning and heating company located in Pensacola, Florida. We employ highly trained people whose goal is to make our company the best service company in Escambia and Santa Rosa counties. Excellence has been our hallmark since 1953. Our company specializes in designing, engineering, and installing complete comfort systems for owners of existing homes and buildings just like yours. From the professionalism of our sales engineers to the dedication of our field personnel, we are dedicated to delivering you the best. Call today. Hamrick Air Conditioning and Heating, Inc., 850-458-2707.